Hello everyone, welcome to day 95 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet stitches. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this long wave stitch. This stitch is done by a combination of single crochet, half double and double crochet and triple crochet stitches. Okay, you start off the row with a foundation row of 14 stitches. You can crochet a multiple of any multiple of 14 till the length that you want. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So I'm going to crochet one more set of 14 stitches. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So here I have 28 chains. I'm going to add 2 more. So a total of 30 chains. Okay, you go into the second chain from the hook and make one single crochet. Go into the next chain, make another single crochet. Go into the next chain, make a half double crochet. Go into the next one, again make a half double crochet. Then go into the next 2 stitches, make one double crochet into each. So we are here at the height of the wave where we'll be making 3 triple crochets. Triple crochet is you yarn over twice and you pull out of 2 stitches at a time, 2 loops at a time. Yarn over twice, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2, yarn over, pull out of the last 2. One more triple crochet, yarn over, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over twice, insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of first 2, yarn over, pull out of next 2 and yarn over, pull out of the last 2. Now go into the next 2 stitches and make 2 double crochets. And next 2 stitches will be making a 2 half double crochets, that is 1 half double crochet in the next chain and another half double crochet in the chain after that. So here we have the first wave. We are going to end it with 1 single crochet. Okay, and now we are going to start the repeat. Again, start off with 2 single crochets. Between the waves, we will have 3 single crochets. Okay, and then make 2 half double, two double, three triple, two double, two half double, and 2 single crochets. Okay, so here we have the first part of the wave stitch. Now for the next row, you are going to just make 1 single crochet throughout the stitch. I'll complete this row and I'll meet you back at the end of the row. Okay, so here I am at the end of the row. At this point, you can change colors. So I got this purple right here. Okay, make sure you got all the loops tight. So for this stitch, you can just leave the end on this side, the color, because we'll be going back, we'll be doing one row and we'll be coming back to this end before we change the next color. Okay, so now chain 3. So this counts as the first triple crochet, and you're going to turn your work, and we're going to make 2 triple crochets. Sorry, we're going to make 1 triple crochet into the next stitch, and we're going to make 2 double crochets in the next 2 stitch. Then half double crochet into the next 2, single crochet into the next 3. So as you can see, the 3 single crochet should align with the 3rd triple crochet that you made. Okay, then again half double crochet into the next 2 stitches, double crochet into the next 2, then triple crochet, one triple crochet, two triple crochet, and you start off the repeat. Again you're going to make one more triple crochet stitch, two double, two half double, three single, two half double, two double, and two triple crochet stitches. Again chain 1, turn your work and make 1 double crochet into each of the row. I'll meet you back once I complete this row. Okay, so here we are at the end of the row. Now we are going to change color. As I told you, if you're planning the project without the ends visible, like if you're making a purse or something, you can just directly pull up the yarn from 2 rows below and change the color. Again leave this yarn right here. Now this row will be doing the row 1, that is you start off with 2 single crochets and you continue the wave pattern. So basically one row starts with 2 single crochet, the other row starts with 2 triple crochets. Okay, the starting and ending of the row will be the same, and that's what forms the long wave stitch pattern. You can see the stitch forming, and you can crochet this to any length that you want. Do try out the stitch, and if you have any doubts, please leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you back with yet another interesting crochet pattern tomorrow.